pandemic has brought much hardship on Seattle's Chinatown. For the senior population, it meant weakening mental health and lack of motivation. So the community took action by establishing an online communication model to host fun virtual classes for seniors using the mobile app WeChat. Now it's time to do what's best, and that's message the seniors from WeChat. All I have to do is go on WeChat, and here I have my cooking class group. That's all I gotta do. 阿靚女，下來啊！我佢轉嚟送得火你。Okay, bye. Now, I'm off to their buildings. The idea of introducing WeChat to the seniors was to stay connected, but time has shown that it became so much more. Seniors are feeling youthful by integrating technology into their day-to-day life. And if you ask me, this is what community should be like. Don't you?